Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Soundboard on PS5. So let's start. So you can go to Voice Soundboard and download it for free. You can go to the voice mode webpage and you can download it completely free. Just click there, you register and you can download it. And well, it says how you can install it. You have to go to your PC5 or PC4 system settings and go to remote play, enable remote play. So you have to download the voice mode app on this page, install it on your PC and open it. Inside your voice mode, select your microphone headset and speakers. Browse the voice effects available in the app, enable voice changer, and hear myself at the bottom of the window. You can also use the soundboard inside voice mode. Go to your PC and open main system settings, sounds, and select voice metal audio device as your default microphone. After this, go to PlayStation website and download Remote Play app, sign and connect to your PS5 or PS4. So that is how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.